Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Bamboo wood cutting board. The wooden cutting boards for kitchen meal prep serving are a versatile and eco-friendly addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this set includes multiple sizes to handle all your slicing, dicing, and serving needs. Bamboo is naturally resistant to scratches and stains, making these boards both long-lasting and easy to maintain. The smooth surface is gentle on knives, preserving their sharpness over time. Designed with built-in juice grooves, they catch excess liquids to keep your workspace clean. These boards double as elegant serving platters for cheese, charcuterie, or appetizers. Lightweight yet sturdy, they're easy to handle and store. The non-toxic, BPA-free material ensures safe food preparation. Their natural finish adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with this practical and stylish bamboo cutting board set. Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. The Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle is an exceptional blend of practicality and style, catering to those who appreciate hydration with a flavorful twist. Constructed from durable tritan material, this bottle stands out with its sleek jet black finish, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a capacity of 34 ounces, it strikes an ideal balance for those on the go, whether traveling, hiking, or engaging in fitness activities. This water bottle is designed for easy use, featuring a built-in infuser that allows you to enhance your water with fresh fruits, herbs, or vegetables. This unique feature not only encourages healthier hydration habits, but also enables users to explore a variety of flavor combinations, making drinking water a more enjoyable experience. The infuser component is easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning process, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its quality. Yaramate Olive Oil Dispenser. The Yaramate Oil Sprayer for cooking is a versatile 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser designed for healthy and efficient meal preparation. Its dual functionality allows you to spray or pour oil with precision, making it perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling. Crafted from high-quality food-grade materials, it ensures safety and durability. The transparent bottle lets you easily monitor oil levels and prevent waste. The ergonomic, leak-proof design ensures mess-free use and a secure grip during handling. Its adjustable nozzle provides fine misting for even application or controlled pouring for larger amounts. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both kitchen use and outdoor barbecues. Easy to clean and refill, it offers hassle-free maintenance. This multi-purpose dispenser is suitable for olive oil, vinegar, or other liquid seasonings. Elevate your cooking experience with the convenient and stylish Yaramate oil sprayer. ThermoPro TP03B Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP03B Digital Meat Thermometer is a reliable tool for perfectly cooked meals every time. With an ultra-fast response time of 3 to 5 seconds, it provides accurate temperature readings to +0.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The foldable stainless steel probe makes it easy to store and use, while ensuring durability and hygiene. Its wide temperature range, -58 degrees to 572 degrees, suits a variety of cooking needs, from grilling steaks to baking bread. The large backlit display offers clear readings, even in dim lighting. Designed with a magnetic back and hanging hole, it's convenient to store on a fridge or hook. The thermometer automatically powers off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor cooking. Perfect for grilling, roasting, or candy making, it ensures precision and safety. Upgrade your kitchen with the ThermoPro TP3B Digital Meat Thermometer. Warming mat. The warming mat for food keeps your dishes perfectly warm for hours, making it ideal for gatherings and meals. This electric warming tray features an even heating surface to maintain food temperature without burning. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to use and store when not in use. The durable, heat-resistant design ensures safe and reliable performance. Perfect for buffets, parties, or everyday meals, it's a convenient solution for warm, delicious food.